Okay, I'm going to be finger paint, and I'm going to paint a sunflower, and the paints that I'm going to use are Indian yellow, sap green, titanium white, and burnt umber. Okay, and again, since I'm using my fingers, we don't need any brush, but you need gloves, and I suggest you buy the ones that I use are purple nitrile gloves, and you know, I use very small ones because you want it to be tight. You want really to be tight so that you're able to move the paint nicely. Okay, so we're going to finger paint a sunflower. I've already kind of sketched where I want the flower to be in the leaves, so you can also do the same. Okay, I hope you're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to start with the flower itself, and I'm going to start just putting the petals. For that, I'm going to use Indian yellow. Okay. So I'm dipping my finger in the Indian yellow, and then just going from outward inward. Okay, so out to in. Okay, and then again out. Sorry, I need more. Again out to in, again out. So we just go around. Okay, it's just like what we used to do when you were kids. So it's fun, so enjoy it. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of white to the yellow. Okay, so a little bit of the titanium white to the yellow. Okay, and then I'll come and I'll do the same. I'm just putting now some in front. Okay, again, now it's with some white. I've added some white. And just fixing the ones that I feel need some. Okay, and now I'm gonna add even more white, making it even lighter. Okay, so adding more white to the Indian yellow. Again, it's titanium white and Indian yellow. Okay, now I've added more white, and again I'll go back and, you know, and add light. You're making it light, especially where you think the sun is hitting. Now I clean my finger again just to get rid of the paint. Now we're gonna do the middle part, and for that I need to use amber brown. Bent amber. I always call it amber brown. I don't know why. I think it's because I used to work with a lady who was called Amber Brown, and that's probably why. It's a bent amber, not amber brown. It's bent amber. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use in the middle. And it's just straight bent amber. Okay, and I'm rubbing it just in the middle. You see that? Again, just rubbing it in the middle into round shape, covering the middle part and making a nice round shape. Okay. Right. Okay, again, I'm going to clean my finger. I'm going to wait for it to dry a little bit before I come back and do something to it. Sorry, I'm just adding more. I just realized I need some more here. Okay, so I'll clean up my finger, and then now we're going to do the before I come back to the center, I'm going to do the stem and the leaves now. And for that, I need the green, sap green. So I'm going to have sap green. I'm adding just a little bit of white, not too much white at the moment, just a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna do the stem. So excuse me, sneezing. Sorry, it's not COVID. Okay, so I'm just doing the stem. Okay, there we go. Okay. Make sure it's going right. Okay. Okay. And I'm actually scratching with my nail, just create some texture. Okay. And then I'm gonna do the same now with the leaves. Okay. Again, creating. I'm gonna create the leaves now. So, okay, again, as I said, I'd already kind of sketched where I want my leaves to be, so I'm just covering that now with paint and using my finger. I'm just creating, as you can see, is creating the bottom of the leaf. I'm making it darker. Okay, so again it's using my finger. And then the top part to make it a bit lighter. Okay, and then I do the same the other side, because my other leaf is this side. Again, the same thing. Okay, see, we've done our leaves. Okay, I'm just gonna come and highlight the stem. Okay, so I've said my sun is from the right, so that's where I'm going to, I mean, it's hitting, it's actually from, yeah, from the right, so I'm going to highlight the right side. Okay, so it's just with the green with white. Okay, so I'm just highlighting again the right side of my stem. Now I'm gonna go back to the center of our sunflower. And I'm just cleaning my finger. Okay, this is also, it's gonna be fun. So I'm going to add I don't know what you call them, but anyway, it's to highlight or to the middle, I mean, just to paint the middle of the sunflower. And for that I'm just gonna use yellow and white. Okay, and just tap 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 tap, but make sure that your paint is, because I'm using acrylic paint, by the way, so and they dry quite fast, so just make sure it's nice and dry, and then otherwise it might not stick. And if it's not, just add water, okay, to your paint, so make it thinner, then it will stick nicely. So I'm just tapping. Look at that. I'm gonna go back to the center and just highlight a little bit more, and I'm just gonna use the yellow and white. Okay, and I'm highlighting especially the right side where the sun is hitting. Okay, just like that. Okay, just fixing a little bit, just highlighting. Again, it's tap 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 in the middle, and creating this nice texture. Okay, I think we are done, and I'm gonna show you the final product. Okay, let's see. This is the middle, that's the sunflower, And then our leaves. Again, this is just using your finger. It's fun to do, especially with kids. This is such a fun thing to do, especially these days, you know, where the kids are at home, they're not going to school because of COVID. After they've done their homework or they need something to do for fun, you can actually do that, you know, indoors, and it's fun. Again, I've used acrylic paints and Indian yellow, burnt umber, and sap green. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to hit the notification button. That way, if I upload a new video, then you'll be able to see it. Okay, thank you so much. God bless. Bye.